Let's begin with a new chapter today, functions in Python. First, let's start with learning objectives. Define functions using definition. Using parameters in functions. Call functions correctly. Return values from functions. Create user-defined functions. Utilize built-in functions. Handle user input functions. Apply functions in programs. Functions. A function is a reusable code segment designed to perform a particular operation. Python provides two types of functions. Built-in functions. These are predefined in Python, such as print, input, etc. User-defined functions. These are custom functions created by users to perform specific tasks. How to define a function? In Python, you can define a function using the def keyword. The basic syntax is def function -name enclosed by parameters #function body. To define a function, follow these steps. Step 1. Use the def keyword to begin with the function definition. Step 2. Write the function name following the def keyword. Step 3. Add parentheses after the function name. Include any parameters inside the parentheses if needed. Step 4. End the function header with a colon. Step 5. Indent the next line and write the code that makes up the function body. Creating a function. Let's create a function that greets the user. Kindly refer to the screen for the detailed program calling the function. To execute the function, you need to call it by its name followed by parentheses. Kindly refer to the screen for the detailed program. Functions with parameters. Functions can accept parameters, allowing them to receive data and perform operations using that data. Kindly refer to the screen calling the function with an argument. An argument is a value you pass to a function when calling it. In the example, greet_user enclosed by Ananya with parentheses. Ananya is the argument. It is passed to the greet_user with parentheses function so that the function can use it to display a personalized message. Return values from functions. Functions can also return values using the return statement. Kindly refer to the screen for the program in detail. Program 1. Create a function to calculate the square of a number. Explanation. Use the def keyword to define the function calculate_square. Include number as a parameter inside the parenthesis. Use the return statement to return the square of the number. Kindly refer to the screen for the program in detail. Program 2. Create a function to check if a number is even or odd. Explanation. Define the function check_even_odd with number as a parameter. Use an if statement to check if the number is divisible by 2. Print the appropriate message based on the condition. Kindly refer to the screen for the program in detail. Program 3. Create a function to find the factorial of a number. Explanation. Define the function calculate_factorial with n as a parameter. Initialize a variable factorial to 1. Use a for loop to multiply factorial by each number from 1 to n. Return the factorial value. Refer to the screen for the detailed program. Program 4. Create a function to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. Explanation. Define the function Celsius_2_Fahrenheit with Celsius as a parameter. Use the formula Celsius multiplied by 9 divided by 5 plus 32 to calculate Fahrenheit. Return the Fahrenheit value. Kindly refer to the screen for the program in detail. Creating functions that take input from the user. Functions can be made more dynamic by incorporating user input. This allows the program to interact with the user and perform operations based on the data provided during execution. Program 5. Write a function that takes two numbers as parameters and returns the sum. Use user input to obtain the numbers. Explanation. Define the function add_numbers with parameters num1 and number2. Use the return statement to return the sum of two numbers. Use the input with parenthesis function to prompt the user for the first number. Convert the input to a float using float parenthesis. Repeat steps 3 and 4 for the second number. Call the add_numbers function with the user provided numbers. Print the result using the print parenthesis function. Kindly refer to the screen for the program in detail. Program 6. Write a function that calculates the area of a circle using the radius provided by the user. Explanation. Define the function calculate underscore area with radius as a parameter. Calculate the area using the formula pi into radius square. Pi equals 3.1416. Return the calculated area. Prompt the user to enter the radius and convert it to a float. Call calculate underscore area with the user provided radius. Display the area using the print parenthesis function. Kindly refer to the screen for the program in detail. Program 7. Write a function that calculates the average of a list of numbers provided by the user. Explanation. Define the function calculate underscore average with numbers as a parameter. Calculate the total sum using sum in parenthesis. Find the count of numbers using len parenthesis. Calculate the average by dividing total by count. Prompt the user to enter numbers separated by spaces. Split the input string and convert each element to a float to create a list. Call the function and display the average. Please refer to the screen for the program in detail. Program 8. Write a function that assigns a grade based on marks entered by the user. Explanation. Define the function determine underscore grade with marks as a parameter. Use if, elif, else statements to determine the grade based on the marks. Assign the appropriate grade, print the grade, prompt the user to enter their marks, call the function with the user input. Kindly refer to the screen for the detailed program. Program 9. Write a function that determines if a number entered by the user is positive, negative or 0. Explanation. Define the function check underscore number with number as a parameter. Use if, elif and else statements to determine the sign of the number. Print the appropriate message based on the condition. Prompt the user to enter a number using the input parenthesis function and convert it to a float. Call the check underscore number function with the user provided number. Kindly refer to the screen with the program in detail. Program 10. Write a function that prints a multiplication table for a number entered by the user. Explanation. Define the function multiplication underscore table with number as a parameter. Print a heading for the multiplication table. Use a for loop ranging from 1 to 10 to generate the table. Print each line of the multiplication table inside the loop. Prompt the user to enter a number and convert it to an integer. Call the multiplication underscore table function with the user provided number. Kindly refer to the screen for the detailed program. Now let's get into the chapter summary. A function is reusable code segment performing a specific task. Python has built-in and user-defined functions for various operations. Use the def keyword to define a user-defined function in Python. Functions can accept parameters to process the input data. Call functions by their name followed by parentheses. Functions can return values using the return statement. User-defined functions enhance code reusability and modularity. Functions can interact with user input for dynamic program. You can write functions to perform mathematical calculations. Functions can include conditional statements for logic processing.